Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to extract hardware ID using Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to extract a hardware ID using Python. A hardware ID, also known as a hardware identifier or machine fingerprint, is a unique identifier associated with a computer or device. Extracting a hardware ID can be useful for various purposes, such as software licensing, system tracking, or security measures. We will use Python to generate a hardware ID based on the system's hardware components. Before we begin, ensure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Let's start by creating a Python script to extract the hardware ID. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. We will use the platform and uuid libraries to gather information about the system's hardware components and generate a unique identifier. Step 2. Gather system information. We will gather various system-specific information, such as the system's host name, processor information, and network MAC address. This information will be used to create the hardware ID. Step 3. Generate and display the hardware ID. Now, we can call the get_hardware_ID function to generate and display the hardware ID. Step 4. Run the script. Save the script with a .py extension, such as hardware_ID_generator.py, and run it using a Python interpreter. The script will display the generated hardware ID based on the system's information. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we have learned how to extract a hardware ID using Python. By gathering information about the system's host name, processor, and network MAC address, we can create a unique hardware identifier. This hardware ID can be useful for various applications, including software licensing and system tracking. ChatGPT.